I think as a individually, gusto ko po talaga mag-soar as an actress and also an artist. And as a love team naman po with Robin, I am always looking forward sa sa more projects like movies or series. Sana po more music videos pa or maybe even singles together. Robin, ano sa tingin mo yung gusto mo for your career, future career as a solo artist or as a love team?
Sa love team natin, sana magka-movie tayo someday, di ba? Tapos, as a solo, gusto ko pa ma-explore yung iba't ibang roles. Yung parang, hindi naman rom-com, di ba? Marami pa tayong maaaral na ibang roles someday. Sana.
Bagay sa'yo, feeling ko yung gusto mong psychopath.
Yeah, psychopath na role.